Okay, ating tignan itong SRB USA 9 years ago sa 2014. Nab Melt at Larep. So it's Glenn Van Peralta. 599 views 9 years ago. SRB USA 38th anniversary sa Las Vegas. Okay, so ating tignan. Shout out muna sa lahat dyan. Kila Papa G, Brad, Kuya Danny Mercado na aking ka-chapter sa Alpha Epsilon. Si Tata Jun ng Delta, Brad Eman, Jarmin ng Delta, si Brad Dennis ng Alpha Epsilon sa Quezon City yan, ka-chapter ni Kokoy. Tapos si Brad Bingoy, Delta rin yan. Ang daming Delta sa West Coast, ano? Dito may Delta rin, ka-chapter ni Brad M. GC ni Brad M, yata o MI. Yung magaling sumayaw yata yan. Tapos sila Sis Juvie, si Brad Arthur Dalindin, si Sis, ano na nga ba pangalan niya, yung Delta rin na Sis, nasa San Diego. So ayun, shoutout sa inyong lahat dyan sa West Coast. Brad Leo Baltasar ng Texas. Shoutout na rin kay Sis kalimutan ko pangalan, mamaya na. Brad Jimmy Bautista, naka-chapter ko. Alpha Epsilon din, SRB Apo. Chartered member ng Alpha Epsilon, si Brad Jimmy.
Heard about you. You heard about me. Yeah. Wow. Wow.
So ginood time nila si Brad Dennis.
Bad girl.
Is it bad that I never made love? I never did. But I should know how
I want you to.
to be. Bad girl, I would too. Can't promise that I'd be good too. 'Cause I had some issues. I woke up in, not having it, but at least I can't admit that I'd be bad.
Total Hannibal, nandun.
From on the chains.
Yeah, I'd be good in bed, but I'd be bad to you. Bad, bad.
Word.
I never made love,
I think you gifted too, baby.
but I shouldn't have.
Yeah. Hold up. Bad girls ain't no good. And the good girls ain't no fun. Look.
And the bad girls wanna run nigga.
Yeah, cause real niggas just want. So it seems that we caught up in the wrong thing. Gotta thank for.
So Sis Buds at Sis Juvie, sayang hindi ko na inabot yung marami pa sila, no, nung pumunta ako sa Vegas. Kailan kaya mauulit yung marami? Yung talagang solid na solid yung ano, yung anniversary ng USA.
Queen who know when to lead. You
Got
got
a thing for a king, but you want a king.
seems like the ones who wrong never got a ring. And I can see that's your. Yeah, in the literal sense. I mean the physical sense. I mean the ups. Wait, baby, give me a second. I need a minute to bend. I'm only telling you that. I heard you. And I'm telling you, I can believe that. Not the type of fella that y'all be getting jealous, but we talking about game while they got the lead pass. We at that bed, floor, couch, hold up.
Loud, bad boy.
Ano si Brad Ray sa Balboro, no, ng Bicol, Epsilon ano yan, Ateneo Dinaga. Tindi na chapter na. Brad Ray sa Balboro. Nagkita kami niyan eh, nung umuwi siya dati. Bait na tao. At masaya. So, kailan mauulit yung ganyan? Ha? Ganyan dapat. Ang dami natin eh. Kaso pagka activities, wala na, konti na, di ba?
You know what? What's up? Forget it. Cause all the bad girls always unapologetic.
Easy, baby. I never made love. I never did.
Oy, teka, si ano yun ah? Si Brad Abril ba yun? Teka, ang bilis kasi.
You know what? What's up? Forget it.
Ay, mali.
Cause all the bad girls always unapologetic.
Easy, baby. I never made love. I never did.
Malabo kasi Brad Abril eh. Ano kasi medyo malabo eh. Pero parang si Brad Abril. Salag.
But I should know how to be a bad girl. I protect.
Ano?
Can't
Bilis!
promise that I'll be good to you. Cause I had some issues. I won't commit.
Marami pa akong hindi nami-meet sa mga SRB sa West Coast. Hopefully, ma-meet ko kayo. Kaso lang, medyo ang hirap eh, no? Ang hirap, anong bumiyahe kasi. Nakakatamad. Ang layo.
The wheel job. Every guy that got these women in their river salad. I'm just trying to take a dip, y'all. Never deterred with bullshit, y'all. Never concerned, she's trying to live it out. No more sucker for love, she probably
Nakahilo, no?
trying to follow your gut feeling, you get lost. Some issues, yeah, and I noticed it. You got the coldest cortisone, but warmer skin. You froze with it. You trying to play Sub-Zero, I be Scorpion. Get over here today, smelling like Jean Paul. Got the got about 3 friends. She don't even tweet them, and on IG, but she follow Kelly. Yeah, we had that bed, floor, couch, hold up. You know what? What's up? You get it? All these bad bitches always on the fight of your
Easy,
head.
baby. I never made love. I never did. But I should know how to be a bad girl. I protect. Can't promise that I'll be good to you. Cause I had some issues. I won't commit. Not having it, but at least I can admit that I'll be bad. No, to you. Yeah, I'll be good and bad, but I'll be bad to you.
Come back to me, you are left another chance. Wish you were me wrong, now you're my friend, you love me too. Oh! Utang ilang to, killjoy oh! Killjoy ka naman eh.
Kasama mo rito, mga matatanda.
Maamin, maamin.
Wala kang respeto.
Total, pag uwi nyo, kitain nyo.
Hold up,
Frank,
headshot,
Frank,
sit down,
Frank,
stand up,
Frank,
pass out,
Frank,
wake up,
Frank,
fade it,
Frank,
fade it.
Frank.
Nah, I done grew around some people living their life in bottles. Granddaddy had the golden flask, backstroke every day in Chicago. Some people like the way it feels. Some people want to kill their sorrow. Some people want to fit in with the popular. That was my problem. I was in a dark room, loud tunes, looking to make a vow soon that I'ma get fucked up, filling up my cup. I see the crowd mood changing by the minute, and the record on repeat. Took a sip, then another sip. Then somebody said to me, "Nigga, why you babysitting? Only 2 or 3 shots. I'ma show you how to turn it up a notch. First you get a swimming pool full of liquor, then you dive in it. Pool full of liquor, then you dive in it. I wait a few bottles, then I watch them all fly.
Labo pa ng mga ng video, no?
I got a swimming pool full of liquor,
9 years ago.
dive in it. Pool full of liquor.
Pero ako enjoy ako nung pumunta ako dyan. Kahit na wala sa kalahati ng umatin dito, yung bilang. Enjoy ako sila Brad Dennis. Sasarap kasama. Brad Eman, si Kuya Danny, Papa G, saka si Tata Jun. Sasarap kasama, Brad Arthur. Naku po. Tapos sila Sis Juby. Okay na okay sila. Solid ang kanilang samahan. Masaya. Pero tingin ko mas maganda siguro, no? Minsan sa sa LA ganapin ng anniversary. Kaso hindi, meron na yata silang tradisyon na minsan meron silang activities na sa LA, meron sa San Francisco. At saka pag anniversary talagang Las Vegas talaga. Hindi na pwedeng baliin yun. Yun ang setup nila dyan. Ayun, so tuloy na lang natin to. Labo eh. Ganda sana kung malinaw.
Bitch, don't kill my vibe. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. Look inside of my soul and you can find gold and maybe get rich. Look inside of your soul and you can find out it never
Ayun
hit
na, punta na sila sa hotel.
the changes. I can feel a new life. I always knew life can be dangerous. I can say that I like a challenge and you to me is painless. You don't know what pain is. How can I paint this picture when the colorblind is hanging with you?
So 2 gabi kami magkakasama. 3 araw at 2 gabi sa Las Vegas. So yun ang celebration na ginagawa nila dyan. 2 nights and 3 days. Yung pangatlong araw, yun na yung uwian. So, wala nang gagawin nun. Kundi, mag-almusal at umuwi kasi magdadrive pa ng malayo, lalo yung mga taga Frisco, taga San Francisco. 8 oras yata kami nag-drive. Yung LA malapit lang sa Vegas eh. Tingnan natin kung walang tugtog.
Bitch, don't kill my vibe. Bitch, don't kill my
Ito, malinaw-linaw na yung video.
alive and not compromise the fit.
Hinaan ko na lang yung tugtog.
We live in a world on 2 different axles. You live in a world behind the mirror. I know what you're scared of. The feeling.
Ayan, si Kuya Danny.
This shit is vital. I know you had to. This shit is vital. I know you had to die in a pitiful pain. Tell me you're watching the chain. It's way more believable. Give me a feasible game. Rather a seasonal name. I'll let the people know this is something you can blame. On yourself you can remain stuck in the box. I'ma break out and
Ay, what the frill?
break out and then hide and be like.
Shit, man. What's going on, bro? Oh. Tignan nyo. Ang ating Brad Abril ng USA. Tigas pa, no? 2014 pa kasi yun eh. Talagang matigas si Brad Abril eh. Mga panahon na yun eh. Hindi pa siya ganong na-hospital. Kasi nga nitong huli, lambe siya na hospital, ano? Lagi niyang pinopost. So, ayan, si Brad Abril, ang tikas pa. 9 years ago. Parang ayoko na ituloy. Gusto ko na lang i-focus kay Brad Abril eh. Di ba? Kasi, tagal ko rin nakasama si Brad Abril. Hindi naman kasing tagal nila Brad Albert kasi umalis na rin si Brad Abril. Pero, kada meeting, kami magkakasama. Ilang beses yun, ang dami nun. Kung mga 30 meeting, mga services pa, di ba? Tapos yung mga celebration lang na, hindi na, sama na natin sa meeting yung mga celebration ng Christmas party, anniversary, gano'n, di ba? Kasi yun yung mga aktibidad natin sa SRB na talagang pinagmimitingan namin yan. Pre-anniversary, napaka-importante sa COE, SRB Inc., yung pre-anniversary. Sila ang nag-umpisa niyan, tradisyon na yan, na hindi na rin pwedeng baliin. Talagang bago mag-anniversary, kasi nga naman, yung iba, hindi pwede na anniversary. So, gawa tayo ng pre-anniversary. So, kung pwede ka sa dalawang okasyon, di mas okay. Pero minsan, di ba, syempre. Ang ganda ng Sa Brother Abril, rest in peace, bro. And, swerte mo, inabot mo yung masaya sa US. Si Brother Abril sa Reno yan, Reno, Nevada. Malayo-layo rin yan. Mga 5 hours yata sila papunta ng Las Vegas. Ganon kalayo. Although pareho lang ng state. Malaki ang mga state sa west, ang lalaki. Ayun yung ka-chapter nila Brad J sa Delta UE. Sino kaya ito si sis? Hindi ka pwede may nag-release sa loob ng hotel? Ayos ah.
Walk out the door and they scream it's alive.
17 minutes na. Okay, matatapos na rin pala. Ayun, the end na pala. Okay, the end. So, yun po ang selebrasyon ng USA year 2014. So, ano yan, final thoughts na, napakadami ng SRB dyan sa West Coast. Sa LA lang, dami talaga nila dyan. Tapos sa San Francisco, ang dami din. So yung isang state na yon talagang siguro may mga 50 sila dyan. Sa state of California lang. Sa Las Vegas, madami din. Ilang kaya ang SRB sa West Coast? Pag may nakarinig ng tanong ko na taga dyan kila Brad Eman, pakisagot kung ilan ang nyo, bilang nyo. Gusto ko lang malaman. Kasi dito marami-rami din Solid din dito sa East Coast. Hindi na nga lang ako nakaka-attend kasi tuwing a-attend ako wala gabi. Labas akong trabaho 9:30, papaalam lang ako ng mga 8:30 or 9, habol ako, layo So gabing-gabi na ako nakakarating doon. Tapos na yung event. Okay, so paalam na po. Ito po sa inyong Brad Vlog ng Alpha Epsilon Pandakan. Peace.